Good morning and welcome to the cockpit of Artemis. We are at Shilshole Marina today. Looks like a nice, kind of a nice sunny day, a little wind. Today we're not going very far. We're going over to Bell Harbor, which is downtown Seattle, where we are going to spend the night. We actually have tickets to go see Paul Simon, so we're kind of excited about that. So yeah, we're about ready to take off, so it'll be a fairly short trip, about 8 nautical miles. We're going to try to sail it. We will see what happens. And we are sailing. We raise sails actually in the harbor. Looks like it's a very nice winds, about 10 true. So we have to do a little tacking back and forth. It's kind of a little bit of our nose. But so far it's a beautiful day and we are enjoying this. So yeah, awesome. So it's pretty amazing how fast these ships move. So you definitely never ever want to go in front of one of them. We learned the lessons years ago when we were going to Catalina in our little Catalina 18. Those guys move a lot quicker than you anticipate. Now we have AIS, so we're able to tell at least what the closest point of approach is and everything, but still. So we're going to continue on this tack for a little bit longer. We're going to hit the edge of the northbound traffic zone. This guy is southbound, and then once we hit the edge, we'll go ahead and tack. So, awesome. Yeah, I'm thinking maybe we should tack. What do you think? Okay, go ahead and prepare. I just don't like where this boat's at.
Yeah, okay.
Well, the big question is... Okay.
Ready? Or yes?
Go ahead.
Okay.
Yep. Helm to lead.
You want me to let it fill up?
Sure, why not? And let her go. So it turns out the cargo ship is actually not going down the shipping lanes. He's going the same way we're going. So anyway, we went ahead and tacked, and now we're kind of paralleling him for a little bit. So looks like he's got a pretty decent wake behind him. So we're just going to go on this tack for a little bit, and then we'll see what happens. So it's a crazy day at sea. Awesome. So we are heading towards downtown Seattle. There'll be some pretty cool views from the water. So looking forward to sharing those from you guys. Bell Harbor is actually a pretty cool marina right down by Pike's Market and
The Sea Aquarium.
Harbor security vessel HS26 off the right side of your vessel. Do you copy on channel 16?
Okay, somebody's having a good time over there. So anyway, but yeah, we'll get some good shots of the downtown. It's really a pretty scene. The Space Needle, the marina is right in the middle of it. So yeah, it's actually a cool place to hang out for a couple of days. So yeah, fabulous and awesome.
We're getting closer. Here's a lovely view of the Seattle scape. So we're getting ready probably real soon here to put the sails down. Well, I guess put the motor on, bring the sails down, and start trucking into Bell Harbor. Awesome. The sails are down. We're approaching our new destination for the night. Wow, what an awesome view. Awesome.
So as we approach the harbor, you can see that it's not readily apparent exactly where the harbor entrance is at. So yeah, pretty interesting how that works. So, but yeah, luckily a couple months of modern technology and our chart plotters and GPS, no worries on that one. So yeah, awesome. Well, Artemis is here at Bell Harbor. You can, if you look real hard, you can find her down there. As you can see, kind of a beautiful marina right in the downtown heart of Seattle. So, yeah, it's actually a pretty awesome place. just from that standpoint alone. Everything's close by. Although everything is uphill, and boy, it is uphill. So yeah, anyway, good times. We're happy to be here. Awesome. This video, hit subscribe and give us a big like down below. Thanks for watching.